Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this yam tomato sauce and fish. This is a very simple recipe, but it's so delicious, guys. I can tell you that my husband is Italian, but he enjoyed this a lot. So the ingredients I'm going to be using are 2 mackerel fish, onion, nut cube, pepper. I have this pepper that is in the oil. You can use raw pepper, okay? Salt, vegetable oil, and the yam. So I'm going to blend half of the onion with the pepper, okay? And I'm also going to be using some tomatoes and some fish seasoning, which I'm going to be showing you later. So go ahead and blend your pepper and onion, okay? I've already cleaned my mackerel fish, so do the same. So I just added just a little bit of knorr, not even up to half of that knorr. Use any cube or any seasoning of your choice. Go ahead and mix up everything, and now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, mix, and add just about half a teaspoon of fish seasoning. Then I'm going to mix up everything. Make sure they are well mixed, okay? Now I'm going to marinate my fish with that mixture. And I'm going to allow them to stay. I'm going to cover them with a cling film, put them back in the fridge, and allow them to stay for 1 hour. Even if you don't have up to that amount of time to allow the fish marinate, make sure the fish marinate at least 30 minutes, okay, before you take them out of the fridge. So now this is the tomatoes I'm using. I'm using 4 medium fresh tomatoes. Okay, so I'm going to clean them and roughly chop them. And the spices I'm using, or the seasoning I'm using, is thyme, curry, and rosemary. And this is the yam. I cleaned the yam off camera. So now I'm going to start preparing the sauce. I added a little bit of vegetable oil into my pan over the heat. Now I added the half onion that you saw earlier, okay? So I'm going to season that onion with my thyme, rosemary, and a pinch of curry. Then allow the onion to saute for a couple of minutes before adding the tomatoes. So now I'm going to add my tomatoes, and I added yellow scotch bonnet pepper in there just to give it that flavor, because I don't want it to be too spicy, okay? I'm going to be taking it off when the sauce is cooked. So I'm going to stir everything, then add a quarter of that nut cube, not up to half, okay? Then stir everything and add some salt and allow the tomatoes to cook for 10 minutes. So the tomatoes is cooked. I just cooked them for 10 minutes, okay? So I'm going to set that aside now. I'm going to move over for this yam. So for the yam, I'm adding the vegetable oil that I'm using for frying on a pan over the heat. I allow the oil to heat up a little, then I start adding the yam inside the oil. So I'm going to fry both sides of the yam until the yam is crunchy or is cooked. So that is what I'm going to be doing here. So I took out the first stage of the yam and I'm adding another one. So I fried the yam off the camera. Now into the same oil I used for the yam, I'm adding the fish with the marinated sauce. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the excess sauce in there. I love to fry each side of my fish for at least 10 minutes. Okay, this is to help them to come out the same shape I wanted them to. Okay, so I'm going to fry each side for 10 minutes or legs at least 8 minutes before turning them over. So here I'm about to flip the fish over to get the other part fried up. And I also love to put lid, not properly cover the pot, but just to minimize the oil that is sparkling everywhere all over the kitchen. Okay, so go ahead and fry your fish until the both side is well fried. So here I'm warming up the sauce now. Just heat it up a little bit before taking them off the pan. Now I'm going to take only the tomatoes out of the pan because I'll be needing that oil from the tomato sauce for the fish. So when I'm done taking off all the tomato sauce, now I'm going to take that fish out of the oil and I will add it to the other pan I use for the tomato sauce. Okay, then I'm going to mix the fish into that tomato sauce oil. This is just to give it that shining color and also give it some taste, but the heat is actually off. Okay, this is optional, but I really love how it's turned out. So yeah, that is basically all, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I will see you all in my next one. God bless you all. Bye.